What's up, folks? Heine's Morning Update, November 9th, post-election day, pre-CPI day. So we'll see if we get a consolidation day or if we move. I don't know. Over under, we're right there, 38.33. Above that, I'm cautiously bullish. Below it, I'm cautiously bearish. We'll take upside first. 38.48, your overnight high. This 63 level was something I was watching yesterday. We topped it it scooted past it 4 points, and then we dropped on the FTX Bitcoin carnage, crypto carnage. 38.83 is still a level I'm watching upside. 39.07 is your 100-day. And then you get into the extreme tippy would be, 39.28, but I would expect more of a 39, the 39, 12, 14 level. But we'll see up here what actually holds. If you can see that 24 level, so 24, 28 would be tippy top for me. Downside, this 38, 13, 12 levels actually become quite substantial. 38.05 was your last, so that 5 to 12 is kind of what I'm looking at. If that level breaks, then I think we start to come obviously back down. 37.93, huge volume node down on the daily, so I'd watch that level. That held once, it could hold twice. Then you get some traffic into the 67 to 74. 37.5 would be a good level to watch, but the big one I'm watching still is the 37.25. So that's the level I would watch on the downside. Hourly pivots look great today. 30, 68, 905, 94, 56, and 20. Here's your daily, still in the daily downward channel. So it's interesting to see, if this push up, back down, do we get this push up back up into here, or does this come back down? I don't know. That volume node right there is your 37.93, so that huge spike right there. And then, again, that 39.05 level is substantial as well. On a volume aspect, and it's your 100-day at the 07. Here's your weekly. I threw a little line in there just to kind of give you an idea that we're still in a downward trend from January. 36.16 is the 200-day on the weekly chart. That has held for quite some time. If you go back into 09, 08, as you can tell, it really kind of started to hold. So that's something I'd watch. Obviously, you had a spike down below with COVID, and then now we're, it's still kind of intact. And I have a downward trend line here. So so we'll see if this is just a setup before CPI tomorrow. 109.5 euro double top here. So we came up, we tweezered, we came back down, and then we ripped 3 days straight up, tapped it, and now question mark. I don't know. British pound's down larger than euro is today. Again, tomorrow CPI is going to tell us more than that. We could have a consolidation day. Here's your daily SPX, no cash gap that's relevant today, or possibly tomorrow. I don't know. So we will see. And then Wednesday, we got 3 a.m., whatever that is, wholesale reviews. Barkin speaks at 11. And then Thursday is your big one. So that's going to be your CPI and jobless. And you got UMich on Friday. So these two numbers are going to be substantial. I would watch out today for more election, stuff. Keep an eye on that. And then Bitcoin, obviously, or the coiners, FTX going down. Insolvency aspects of the coiner crowd. So we'll see if that. I didn't realize that would cause that much contagion in the sell-off, but we're gonna this next week. this week and next week, a lot of cycles are hitting. So things that are going to kind of come out of the woodwork that we weren't looking at, and those are going to influence us moving forward. I thought the election would be more of a shit show, to be honest. I guess it has potential to still be so, but I will take the fact that it's not. So anyway, that's about it. I will be in and out today. No video tomorrow. I've got to be out of town, but I'll be back Thursday afternoon, mid-afternoon.